And the conversation, from what I hear from the protest today, is that it's not a few rogue politicians, that in fact, there's a despot and there's a culture in the police service. Is that the case?
That is the very strong suspicion. And in fact, the demonstrations that we saw today, which incidentally I must make clear, were demonstrations, a peace walk organized by the civil society organizations who are a collective of human rights defenders. The Law Society of Kenya was invited to participate as a sign of solidarity, and we did. In fact, I participated in the walk, commencing from Freedom Corner until the Supreme Court, where I joined them in addressing the gathering. The procession then proceeded on from the Supreme Court, I understand, to passing Parliament, Office of the President, and eventually to Jogo House. But for most laws, it terminated at the Supreme Court because we have our own protest peace walk on Wednesday, which is an LSK event. I understand that our civil society partners were also presenting petitions or memoranda at Jogo House. These were petitions and memoranda prepared by themselves. So having made that clarification, it is clear that the protests were about concerns about a system that appears to have failed. The fact that we have so many cases of rogue officers being able to eliminate Kenyans and continuing to work within a system undetected is what is the concern of Kenyans. We understand that we're not condemning each and every police officer with a blanket condemnation, but we are very worried that a system exists that appears to encourage, or not encourage, sorry, appears to tolerate the existence of cells that carry out these acts.